For being aware in the instant from this and other information, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The Chinese government has accused the United States of causing panic in its response to the coronavirus outbreak. It follows the U.S. decision to declare a public health emergency and deny entry to foreign nationals who had visited China in the past 2 weeks. There are more than 17,000 confirmed cases of the virus in China. Some 361 people have died in the mainland alone. Outside China, there are more than 150 confirmed cases of the virus, and 1 death, in the Philippines. What else did China say? In a news briefing on Monday, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Hua Chunying said the U.S. actions could only create and spread fear, instead of offering assistance, saying it was the first country to impose a travel ban on Chinese travelers and the first to suggest a partial withdrawal of its embassy staff. It is precisely developed countries like the U.S. with strong epidemic prevention capabilities that have taken the lead in imposing excessive restrictions contrary to WHO recommendations, she said, according to a Reuters report. A handful of countries like Australia also imposed an entry ban on Chinese travelers shortly after the US ban. On Monday, Hong Kong said it was suspending from midnight local time, 1600 Greenwich Mean Time, 10 out of 13 border crossings with mainland China. The WHO has actually warned that closing borders could accelerate the spread of the virus, if travelers enter countries unofficially. What measures has the US taken? On the 23rd of January, the US ordered the departure of all non-emergency US personnel and their family members from Wuhan in Hubei province, where the virus originated. Less than a week later, it allowed for the voluntary departure of non-emergency personnel and relatives of US government employees from China. On the 30th of January, the World Health Organization declared a global health emergency over the new virus. Following this, the US ordered the departure of all US personnel family members under the age of 21 in China. Any US citizen who has been in Hubei province will be subject to 14 days quarantine upon returning to the US.